morning. Today's July 5th and we're camped here in Big Hole, Montana. For today's adventure, we're heading into Twin Lakes. We're sure glad you could join us for this adventure. So the road to Twin Lakes is open to full-size vehicles, but we're taking my RZR and Pat's Mule just because we already had them unloaded from Ajax Lake yesterday. Looks like we're going to be on road 183. Says there's no motorboats allowed. That mountain there reminds me of the White Clouds in Idaho. I hope it turns out on this camera. Little camper van coming out. This mountain's just so beautiful. Hoping that the lake has some of that mountain in it. I can see how a van would be up here. The road, I mean, it's just a rough Forest Service road, but it's not bad. Pretty easy. We're 5.2 miles in from the Twin Lakes intersection where we're camped. We came to this split in the road. It says 183 that way, 183A this way. So I pulled up Onyx maps, and Onyx is showing it as 3188 going straight and 183 going left. But we're going to take 183A. That's what the map shows goes up to the lake. Ruggedly beautiful. All right, looks like we're coming into the Twin Lakes Campground. See what kind of campers are in here. Being the 5th of July, I imagine we'll see a representative sample. So a tent. Looks like maybe an ambulance. Truck camper. There's a tent trailer. And they've got some outhouses. The sites don't look real big. You know, I don't know that you could put a very big camper in, probably 20, 25 feet. Some of these longer sites. Looks like there's 17 sites here. A site like that, you can get a 30-foot camper in. Site number 4. Yeah, it's a nice little campground. It's not really set up for big rigs though. You know, there's maybe 1 or 2 spots. A 30-foot or maybe a little longer would fit. But for the most part, it's tents and probably vans and truck campers. Maybe a short Class C. The sign says boat ramp, day use, and the camping entrance. We're going straight to the day use area. What a beautiful area. Hard to believe you could actually bring a camper in here. Look at that lake and those mountains. Just beautiful. Pat and I are down here southwest of Wisdom, Montana, in the Big Hole. What a beautiful lake, huh?
Oh boy.
Twin Lakes. We're gonna have some lunch here in a minute, sit here and enjoy the lake, and chill out and just relax before we head down to our next spot, south of Jackson. Well, Pat, if we were at a fancy restaurant with a view like this, these chicken sandwiches would probably cost us $50 a piece.
Yep, they wouldn't be as good.
I love these high mountain lake views with the lakes. See a little reflection of the mountain on the lake. Just beautiful.
Yep.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.